How are spacecraft launched? Giant rockets are used to lift a spacecraft into space. Usually the rocket into or three parts or stages. When the rockets are put together, they form a launch vehicle. Launch vehicle. The spacecraft sits on top of the launch vehicle until it's in space. The rockets must be very powerful so that they can
Who is reading?
reach craft to go into orbit. At lift off, the fuel. That's good because it is so long.
Is it so long?
Yes, long.
But are you interested in outer space?
No.
I thought you want to be an astronaut.
Mommy, the astronaut is very scary because you cannot go back to Earth.
Why? You can.
Why?
Look at that. Why do you think the astronauts are floating? Why? Why do they float?
Because there's
What do you call that force that pulling the objects down? What do you call that force?
Gravity.
Gravity.
From Earth.
Uh-huh.
What does pull you?
It's the gravity. It is the force pulling the objects down to the Earth. See? In the space, there's no gravity, so the astronauts and the spacecraft are floating, right?
Yeah, but how come but why is the Earth not is it also going there to the rocket?
Which one?
The Earth?
The Earth is not going to the rocket, but the rocket is flying away from Earth.
Why?
Because it's going to the outer space.
How come?
Because that's what they do. And who's the first man who landed in the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. You still remember him, huh?
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute.
Why?
Neil Armstrong is this one.
Oh, is that him?
Yeah.
What do you call those people?
Astronauts.
Astronauts. That's cool.
The one, the girl, yeah.